everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rachel, and if you are not new, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a faux blow dry using not a blow dryer, but a straightener. So it's really easy, takes less than 10 minutes, let's do it. Alright, so this is my hair freshly washed out of the shower. I flipped my head over to blow dry it for extra volume at the top, and I do have some products in it. I have some volumizing mousse, some heat protecting spray, and some oils at the ends, especially because when we use that hot iron, you're gonna pass the heat on your ends, so you really want to protect your ends to make sure they don't get fried. So the only thing that you will need is a clip, a brush, and an iron. Today I'm using Kristen S's flat iron, and this I got at Target. It was only $80, and so far I like it. I've only used it about 10 times, but it hasn't given me a problem. I'm a big fan of this twisty cord, so I can move it whichever way I want, and it heats up pretty quickly. Today I have it on 440, which I believe is the highest setting, and I know it's not the best for your hair, but that's what I do. Alright, so we're just gonna start separating our hair into sections, and I'm separating it a bit above my ear so that I can start working on the lower layer of my hair. And I'm just gonna brush it out before I start. Now the key is to work in small sections. So I'm just gonna grab a bit of hair right here. I'm gonna pass my iron and twist down at the ends. So you want to get that perfect curl, and I'm going to alternate pieces by twisting some pieces and not twisting the others, so that way there's some wave and bounce in between the sections. So that's it, it's pretty easy. That's the secret. You just got to curl, give it that bounce, and let it go. All right, now we're just gonna leave it like this, so that way it cools down in this curly bounce thing that's happening. So you don't wanna brush your fingers through it or brush your brush through it, just let it dry. I'm gonna move it to the back and move on to the other side. And in case I confused you, you're just grabbing a small section and twisting in towards your face and repeating. Alright, so now we're just going to do that exact same thing section by section. Now I'm just going to start from the back over here, only because I was already holding on to the back, and if I let go, it might get lost back there. So that was a fail. It's okay. You're just gonna go right over. Still kind of a fail. Twist and you can get back to it later. You don't want to damage the back or any part for that matter. I'm using the camera as a mirror, so bear with me. I just got lost in there. Using the camera as a mirror is a lot harder than it looks. So I know some of you might think that this is really damaging. How can you grab the heat and like twist it all around your hair? But I actually noticed that this tends to last longer on my hair, so I use less heat on it. Last piece. So now when you get to the top, just make sure you have that line, whatever line you want, side part, middle part. And do the exact same thing. Okay, so now you can run your fingers through it, and this is the part where we go back and just make little adjustments. So I like for these pieces to look bouncier, so I'm going to go back in and fix that. You want to let it dry in this bend, that way it cools down in this shape, so when you run your fingers through it later, that's what gives it that like bouncy look. See, and if it's not to your liking, just go back on the edges and give it a little bend and a twist. Alright, this works for me. Now I'm going to go in with my Oribe Press Beach texture spray. So I'm just going to spray this at the bottom just to give it a little bit of fullness. And then I'm going to hold my hair up here and spray. You can also flip your head over so you can get some volume. You have it, your faux blow dry with a straightener. Alright guys, that is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. And if you try this out, please tag me. I really would love to see, you know, what I show you on you. So thanks again for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to start making more videos weekly, so let me know what you guys want to see next.